I make $436 from this client, and this is my same client, and I will show you step by step that how I make this and how you can also do it. So before we start, welcome once again. This is Khalid Hasan, and I will show you step by step that how I make and how you also make it. So let's get started. So this video will be very great because I get same client and I getting some more project from him. So for the start, I will go to my Pioneer account. This is my Pioneer account. I will show you my payment proof. So if I go account activity and say I'm just doing transaction section, and I'm just going on past year, load more, and yeah, this is same client Abraham Muntasi, same client. So previous video I share with you my this payment proof, and in this video I'm just sharing this payment proof, same client. So you understand that this is real income and real payment proof I get from Pioneer. So if you have Pioneer account, then good. If you don't have, please create a new account and you will get every type of resource in my description box. Now I will show you that how I get this client and from where I get this client. So if I go to my LinkedIn account, you will see my profile. By the way, if you follow me on LinkedIn, you will get link in my description box so you can easily check out. So this is my LinkedIn account, and I'm putting some posts, some editing samples, and the client are watching because my most of the followers and connection from European country. So you can easily send them connection and you can build any tier one country connection. So I will show you step by step on LinkedIn that how you can send connection, how you can build a good amount of connection from European country, European people. So this is great because they have money and they also hire you. So no problem. So if I go and type this name, by the way, this client directly messaged me on LinkedIn, and before I don't reach him out on any social media or cold mail. So this is very great for me. I'm just So this is my client and we are talking about a big project. If we work, then you will know. As you can see, I am chatting with him and this is all chat. He just sent me and I'm just chatting with him, and yeah. And we will go to Zoom meeting and we talking like some weeks, and then we go for a good project. So in this way we are working. So this is really great to get client from LinkedIn. And if I show you my post, that basically which post I'm getting retention and I'm getting clients. So if I go my profile, so this is my profile. This is a high quality banner and high quality profile, and this is all customizable. You can just get this idea and you can just paste on your LinkedIn profile, but you need to some changes, then you can use it. So no problem. You just take idea from my profile and just apply on your profile. So if you're working professionally, then you should make a professional LinkedIn account. So I'm just going my post section. So this is all my post. Also, I schedule some post because I don't have many time to post again and again. So I just take some time and just schedule many posts to public automatically. So this is my video editing samples I upload for my client because they want to see samples. So this is my samples and I'm just uploading, and you see that I'm getting good impression because they are just watching my samples and they are just inbox me, and we are talking about her project or him project, then we start work. So you see I just public many posts here. So as you can see, you can also public your samples. If you are working on a graphics design, then you can also put your samples work, and if you are a video editor, you can put your some editing samples here. So every types of skill if you have, you can just work on LinkedIn and you just put your every types of samples here. So this is great because it will build you a personal brand, and if you work professionally, then you will get 100% client from LinkedIn, because LinkedIn is professional, there have lot of businessmen, lot of editor, or lot of every types of man you will get here. So this is really really great for every freelancer or every business owner. And by the way, if I go to my website, this is my website fammedias.com. I am just providing video editing services, and some client are booking a free call from consult now section, and we are going just a video call, and then I'm just talking about our services, and we are discussing about that what he need, what I can do. So everything on win-win situation, because we have a big team and we can work with the client. So this is all about quality and how we can providing our job. So I think you should have a LinkedIn account, and if you have, then you can grow your connection, and step by step you will get some client and you can start money from selling your services. Yeah, this is my a short video. If you really enjoy this video, please like, and yeah, you should comment me, because if you comment me, then I can make video on this comment. And also subscribe if you want this video, and you can also watch my previous case study, and I will public more case study about my project. So thank you, take care, see you soon.